I struggle with these tiny screws too.
The former owner was a company, and they put in a matched pair of Crucial. Nice to have name brand memory. Did not want to see Hynix in there.
Or Ellipta.
God damn it! That's the one I'm replacing.
So this isn't really made with fat fingers in mind. I've disconnected the battery, and the top one is not really a problem, so this isn't the area where we're going to need help. The top piece of RAM, cool. Down in the bottom here, I don't see how a finger can reasonably be expected to maneuver like that if it has any meat on it. So there, just using teeny little Phillips head to help pry to the side the right arm that was holding the memory there. And putting in our Crucials to the unit we want to devote the bulk of our attention to.